In this video, I'll show you how to fix low volume on your Windows 10 or 11. First step we want to try is come down here, simply right click on it and open your sound settings. Now in here, if you're on the Windows 11, you don't need to do more, just come in here, but on Windows 10 you have to open this one. On Windows 11 this will already be opened, and what you want to do is make sure it's on 100 and everything in here is on 100, or at least the thing you want to listen to. Now once you've done that, make sure you choose the correct output device. Make sure your master volume is at 100. Click there down here again. Go to Sounds, Playback. You can also just search for sound down here if you're in Windows 11. And from in here you want to choose your default device, Properties, Levels, and make sure it's turned all the way up. You can also head over to Advanced and make sure you choose the best quality possible, which is the highest. Now once you've done that, what you can do is you can come down out here, come to Device Manager, come to Audio and Input, and make sure you right click and update your drivers. So update the one for your sound that you normally use just by this. And another thing you can try is, if it's still having issues, you can search for Troubleshoot, go to Additional Troubleshooters, click on Playing Audio, and run the troubleshooter. Now any of these should hopefully help fix the issue. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.